How to split audio file in WavePad. First of all, open the WavePad Audio Editor on your computer. Next, open the audio file you want to split by clicking on the File menu and selecting Open File, or by pressing CTRL+O on your keyboard for quick access. Once the file is loaded into the editor, play or scroll through the waveform and place the cursor exactly where you want to split the audio. You can zoom in on the waveform using the zoom controls or your mouse scroll wheel for better accuracy while placing the split point. After setting the cursor at the right position, go to the Edit tab in the toolbar and click on the Split option. From the drop-down, select Split at Cursor. This will divide your audio file into two separate sections at the chosen point. You can also choose other splitting options such as split into equal parts, split automatically, and more. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut CTRL+Shift+D to split the audio instantly, or you can right-click and from the option, select Split. If you want to split the audio into multiple sections, repeat the process by placing the cursor at each point where you want a new split and using the same method. Once your audio is split, you can move, edit, or delete independently. And that's it. Now you know how to split an audio file in WavePad. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.